I think it's important that the community know that we used as our barometer throughout the entire process all of the public comments that many of you, probably all of you, participated in as a measurement tool for how we chose and moved forward with choosing the next superintendent of Wake County Public Schools. Without further ado, I will now entertain a motion.
Madam Chair, I'd like to make a motion that the board consider approving the appointment and contract for Superintendent Ms. Kathy Moore.
The judge.
All right. If you repeat after me, I, your name,
I, Kathy Moore,
do solemnly swear
do solemnly swear
that I will support
that I will support
and maintain
and maintain
the Constitution
the Constitution
and laws
and laws
of the United States
of the United States
and the Constitution
and the Constitution
and laws
and laws
of North Carolina,
of North Carolina,
not inconsistent
not inconsistent
therewith,
therewith,
and I will faithfully
and I will faithfully
discharge
discharge
the duties
the duties
of my office
of my office
as Superintendent of the Wake County Public School System.
as Superintendent of the Wake County Public School System.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations.
Thank you. So, it's hard for me, I just say thank you again. It's hard for me to explain just how thankful I am to lead this district. Because I know that it is one of the best school districts in America. I've been in Wake County for 30 years, and during that time, I know the district very well, and I know without a doubt that the strength of this district comes from a community that is passionate, intelligent, diverse, committed to students, and to employees who are high quality, dedicated, equally committed to the students that walk into our classrooms every day. I also know that the partnership that we have always forged between our community and our schools needs to remain vibrant and maybe even reinvigorated, because things are not going to get easier. They'll get more difficult, and we'll have more challenges, and we'll need to meet them together. And so I'm ready to get to work, and I'm ready to go out and listen a lot to what folks have to say, because I think that more than anything out of this office is an obligation to be the feet, the voice, the heart of 160,000 plus students, 20,000 employees, and the countless members of the community that have our back every day. I also know that there's a core belief that I hold very deeply that I think will probably sound familiar to you, that really guides my work and is a part of who I am and what I believe. Every student is uniquely capable and deserves to be challenged and engaged in relevant, rigorous, and meaningful learning each day. That's the first core belief from our strategic plan, and it is a core belief that I hold dearly and closely. I know that we are an awesome school district. We have awesome leadership, awesome teachers, awesome principals and administrators and staff at Central Services. We have a terrific board, and I think that we're ready to get to work, and we're ready to push forward with the initiatives that we've already started that we know are the right work for children, and continue down that path.